championship of KSR Motorsports. Put your hands together for Brad Keller and the Power One Monster Ride Trail. How many people got down earlier and met some of the riders, ladies and gentlemen? If you met some of the riders, you probably met this guy. I don't even know where he is, but he's out here somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, he's a legendary motorcycle daredevil. He hails from Plymouth, Massachusetts, and has set the world record for jumping a motorcycle further than anybody in the history of the world at one time. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Don Danger! How many people own an ATV? If you own an ATV, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up in the air if you own a four-wheeler. If you own a four-wheeler, you're going to be wanting to cheer for one of these teams. The team in the blue, led by Captain Carson Butler. These guys just edging out the home team recently. Well, ladies and gentlemen, on the other side, we're in the red and white. These guys have been racing hard, racing right. Make some noise for Team Captain PJ Hall, Team Pennsylvania!
Wait, that's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you're flying through the air on two wheels, what are you doing? You're doing freestyle motocross, and we have got one of the masters of FMX right here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise from right here in Pennsylvania for Mr. Jake Goodyear, your FMX rider. How many people came here to see monster trucks flying? The guy right down here to my left, out of Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. The kid is out here living his dream. Put your hands together for Zane Ortiz and Stinger! And down in the other corner just opposite him, out of Airville, Pennsylvania, 540 cubic inches. Oh, they're going burning big blonde racing engine making 1,500 horsepower. Put your hands together for Paul Bell and the Instigator. Ladies and gentlemen, last Sunday afternoon in Lima, Ohio, this next truck, which just so happens to be a beautiful Ford, made history. It became the first and only diesel-powered truck in the history of the world to successfully complete a 360-degree backflip. He's out of Taylorsville, Pennsylvania. Put your hands together for Diesel Dave Ramsey as the X2P. Nearly 40 years ago, a legend was born. The legend comes out of the Midwest, and to this very day, the man behind that legend still fuels a team of trucks that is by far the most recognizable brand on the planet. They are not only recognizable, they are the most feared competitors on the planet. Ladies and gentlemen, out of St. Louis, Missouri, driving the original monster truck, put your hands together for Darren Schneider Bigfoot! How about a big round of applause for everybody you see on the track, ladies and gentlemen? Make some noise for these guys traveling far and wide to come put on a show for you. Say with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are set, ready to rock and roll. We'll wait for the sign for Chuck to fire these trucks up. Looks like the time has come. Fire them up. Let's get it on.